no-bake peanut butter pie recipe. Hello, dessert lovers. If there's one thing I know and love, it's a good pie, and today I'm bringing you the easiest, most delectable peanut butter pie out there. This recipe is a no-bake miracle, which means you get that incredible richness and peanut butter bliss without even turning on the oven. Whether you're a baking pro or a kitchen novice, you'll adore the simplicity and amazing flavor of this pie. Let's talk about what makes this no-bake peanut butter pie so special. It all starts with the perfect crust. For this recipe, I'm all about a classic graham cracker crust. The sweetness and slight crunch complement the creamy peanut butter filling like a dream. You can make your own or save a step with a pre-made option, the choice is yours. Speaking of the filling, that's where the real magic happens. With just a few ingredients, you'll be whipping up the most luscious, peanut butter packed filling you've ever tasted. Here's what you need. Ingredients: crust, 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. Filling: 1 8-ounce packaged cream cheese, softened, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 8-ounce container frozen whipped topping, thawed. Instructions: make the crust, combine graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie dish. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to set. Prep the filling, beat together the cream cheese and peanut butter until light and fluffy. Gradually add the powdered sugar while beating, making sure it's fully incorporated. Gently fold in the whipped topping until combined. Assemble the pie, spoon the peanut butter filling into the prepared crust, smoothing out the top. Chill, refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours, or until firm. This is essential for the perfect slice. Garnish and serve. You can enjoy the pie as is, but a drizzle of chocolate sauce, a sprinkle of chopped peanuts, or an extra dollop of whipped topping take it to the next level. That's it. You've just created a no-bake dessert masterpiece. I love how versatile this peanut butter pie is. It's perfect for summer gatherings when you don't want to heat up the kitchen, or as an anytime treat when a sweet craving strikes. Since it makes about 8 servings, there's plenty for sharing, or for having extra slices all to yourself. I won't judge. Tips for the absolute best peanut butter pie. Quality ingredients. Use your favorite brand of creamy peanut butter for the richest flavor. Softened cream cheese is key for a smooth filling. Take it out of the fridge beforehand to let it come to room temperature. Chill time is your friend. Don't rush the chilling process. This allows the flavors to meld and the pie to set up beautifully. Get creative. Experiment with different crusts, Oreo crust, anyone? Or toppings. Let me tell you, this no-bake peanut butter pie is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. So, what are you waiting for? Gather those simple ingredients and get ready to indulge. If you love easy, delicious desserts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more incredible recipes and tips.